everyone and welcome back to my video. This video I will be showing you how you can draw cats using a simple way. So if you want to learn how you can draw cats by the video, you will be able to do it. Let's start. Let me add that this is the most comfortable method for me. First we draw a line in the middle of the sheet. Let me add that these cats are mine. I draw with a simple pencil and then I draw the shape of the eyes, nose and mouth. Then I draw the cat's fur. I draw the cat's fur and correct the parts that don't look good with eraser. And one of the pencils that helped me in this drawing is a white pencil. And past coloring to most interesting part. I paint his nose with a pink pencil and then his ears. I paint his eyes with a green pencil. And let's draw the fur on the body of the cat. And we draw his paw in the drawing. And that's his mother cat is okay. And let's take a picture of the kitten. Again we draw a line from the middle of the page. That is from the side of the mother cat. I draw the head in the drawing. And of course we don't forget the ears. I draw the eyes, nose and mouth as before. And that's it. One of the kittens is ready. And then to this cute cat. Again draw the sheet and draw the head and ears in the picture. This cat is different from its mother and brother. It has stripes. I draw the fur with a brown pencil and it looks like there is eyeliner on her eyes. Haha, natural liner.